Have you ever thought about how a startup accelerator like Y Combinator handles hundreds of new client onboarding forms every month? Founders submit their ideas, share their goals, and ask for guidance. Coordinators have to welcome them, understand their needs, and capture their information in internal systems. Doing all of that manually would be exhausting and inefficient. So how do they keep the process smooth, timely, and personalized? The answer is automation. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete client onboarding automation workflow using a no-code tool called n8n. This workflow automatically collects form submissions, drafts a personalized welcome email using AI, sends it to the client, and logs their information into Google Sheets for internal tracking. Let's see the workflow in action. It all begins with a simple form. When a client fills out the onboarding form, they provide details like their name, email address, company industry, what they're aiming to achieve in the next 3 months, and anything else they'd like us to know. Once the form is submitted, a form trigger node in n8n detects this new entry and launches the automation. This brings us to the first major step, understanding the client's intent. Using a language model like OpenAI, we analyze the form responses and draft a personalized welcome email. This is where automation really shines. The AI crafts a warm, professional message tailored to the client's industry and goals. It might congratulate them on joining the community, briefly address what they shared in their form, and offer a clear next step. What used to take 10 or 15 minutes per email now happens in a few seconds and at scale. Let's say a client writes that they want to improve their user engagement through automation. The AI might respond with something like, "Thanks for joining us. We're excited to support your efforts in building scalable user journeys. Over the next few weeks, we'll help you identify automation opportunities that align with your goals." The message is meaningful, accurate, and immediate. After generating the email, the workflow passes it through a second AI node. This node ensures the message is parsed correctly into 3 fields: subject, body, and email address. Now it's time to send it. The Gmail node takes the parsed email and sends it directly to the client. The entire process, from form submission to message delivery, is smooth and hands-free. But that's not all. At the same time, a second AI agent reads the form data and generates a summary of the client's profile. This summary is short, to the point, and designed for internal use. For example, it might say, "Priya from the healthcare industry wants to implement automation to improve patient communication over the next quarter." That summary, along with the client's name and email, is stored in a Google Sheet. This creates a growing record of all onboarded clients, easily searchable, shareable, and always up to date. You now have a complete onboarding trail without writing a single line of code or lifting a finger after setup. To build this yourself, you'll need 3 main components. 1. A connected form, which can be built inside n8n or with tools like Typeform or Tally, connected via webhook. 2. An OpenAI API key or integration through OpenRouter. And 3. Linked Gmail and Google Sheets accounts. The beauty of this workflow is how customizable it is. You can add Slack alerts to notify your team when a new high-value client joins. You can push data into Notion, Airtable, or your CRM. You can trigger internal onboarding checklists, assign tasks, or even send SMS messages using Twilio. And the setup doesn't have to be limited to onboarding. The same structure can be used for lead qualification, demo requests, community invites, or event signups. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're onboarding 5 clients a week or 50, this workflow helps you move faster, work smarter, and give every client a professional, personalized experience without burning out your team. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. And don't forget to join our Skool community. You'll find the link in the description. Inside, you can connect with other builders, ask questions, and access exclusive resources and templates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.